Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. And today I got here my Nether Emperor from SNAA, and this is the newest Emperor series from the SNAA model. And so thank you so much from Hobby Wang for the very fast delivery and for their very fast purchase on the pre-order. So I know that some shops here in the Philippines doesn't have yet this model kit, but Hobby Wang is the number one and the fastest supplier of model kits from China. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Supernova or the SNAA Nether Emperor has to offer us collectors. Fangabiran News. Okay, so we got here the Nether Emperor, and it's my first time to see a very thin box from SNAA since I got used to those large boxes that SNAA has to offer us, like the Martial Emperor, the Fire Lord, and the Blade King. So this one is very thin, unlike the other three. So there we go, we got here very nice box rendition. Here we got the Nether Emperor on the rear view, followed by this front view here with the face and the torso. So the side of the box here, we can see a Nether Emperor here, and there we got some poses and action dynamic shots. And there we go, we got here the same picture from the front box, and also some action poses wielding the sword and the rifle. On the back part of the box, we can see the front view, the rear view, and the other nice badass pose for this kit. So judging the appearance of the kit, it really looks like the Testament Gundam, in my opinion. Testament Gundam with some, badass melee rendition of weapons. Okay, so if we open the box, which I did earlier, so this is the box inside the box, and there we can see the instruction manual. So the instruction manual here shows the full picture of the torso, the waist, and the head of the Nether Emperor. And there we go, we got the back view or the rear view of the Nether Emperor wielding his blade. And I think this is the first blade and the second blade. Okay, so the back part of the booklet, we can see the front view, the rear view, and other dynamic poses, and the inner frame of the Nether Emperor. So if we open the manual here, we can see the parts list, which is not so much because this kit is not that extravagant compared with the first three Emperor series, like the Fire Lord, the Blade King, and the Martial Emperor. So there we go. If we're going to assess the assembling process or sequence of the kit, it's not that hard to follow, and this is a bit version or friendly kit friendly version for beginners, because I know SNAA is a very hard kit to build. It's not for beginners, but for intermediate and advanced Gunpla builders like me. Okay, so there we go. We got here the very nice, easy to understand pattern. And I find that this kit is very simple, which is very nice since I got so fed up with those big wings and big armors from the first three Emperor series of SNAA model kits, which is of course, the Fire Lord. The Fire Lord is very, very bulky. The Martial Emperor is very back heavy, and the Blade King is so bullshit in terms of the backpack. Okay, so let's go with the packaging. So we got here a very nice plastic wrappers, which resembles the Bandai style of packaging things, which is very nice and very appealing to me in terms of in terms of packing those delicate runners, unlike the Daban, which pack the runners in a garbage like form. But still, the band is very good nowadays. So there we go, we got this yellow parts, clear green parts, and gray parts for the inner frame. We got also this hand parts here, hand options. We got this white parts for the armor pieces. We got this gray parts for the inner frame, which is very nice. And what I notice is, of course, this is the traditional or the usual style of SNAA runner. And we got here gray parts again for inner frame parts, yellow parts for the accents, and for the what you call this, the V-fin for the head. And we got here this other variant, which is very nice, since we got an option to change the color of the accents if you like yellow or you like this kind of green, which is very cool. So I might use the asymmetric form of building on this kit. I might put yellow on the other side and green on the other side. And there we go, we got this white parts for the armor pieces. And it's my first time to see a very small water slide decals for the SNAA kit, since this kit is very small and very sleek in stature. So it's normal to see that small water slide decals as well. And I might utilize those because it's not that much and it's easy to apply. So let's go with the runner review before we build the kit. So we got here runner L for this white parts here, and I just noticed that the texture and quality of the parts are really nice compared with the previous Emperor series. And this is very I don't know, I can't distinguish between matted and glossy, so it's like a mix. And the plastic is not that brittle, so this is just fine to me. So we got here runner L for the armor pieces, and of course still pointy things, since SNAA really love to make pointy parts on their kit. So be careful when doing this kit. So there we go, we got runner C for the gray parts. We got this runner H for the semi-gray parts. We got runner Z for the hands. We got this runner B, 2 sets of runner B for the inner frame parts. We got runner D for this gray parts as well. And we got this 2 kinds of runner I, the one with this kind of green and this kind of yellow. So it's up to you which part you like to use. This is runner E for gray parts. Yellow, this kind of yellow. So it differs with this kind of yellow. Here, runner F. Runner G for this blue parts. Runner K. So we got 2 sets of runner K here. 2 sets of runner K. Runner J for this clear green parts. And finally, we got this runner A, 2 sets of runner A for the gray parts. So we got also this again, this water slide decals, which is very nice and very small. and this manual. So thank you so much for watching this unbox review of the SNAA Nether Emperor. So SNAA Starry Craftsman from the Emperor series, the Nether Emperor. See you next time on the finished build. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodnight, God bless, take care.